Hi guys, this is Vishnu. Welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we have created a chatbot which is a generative AI workshop. So in this video, we are going to build a machine learning model which is using by the teachable machine. First of all, what is machine learning model? So machine learning model, it is a program which can find a pattern or make decision by giving from a previous unseen data set. For example, if you given some of the data, so it can observe the data and analyze it. It can give the result back. This future in the future we are going to use this machine learning model widely because of it is very useful and it is very easy to use. So it is used in different sectors in our daily life. So like biometric or face detection, etc. So you can see my machine learning model.